Hi guys, welcome. This is Juliet. So in my previous video I share with you how you can earn $5 on Clever and how you can still earn $4 on Gig Pay just by referring your friends. So and in that video I told you how you can be using blog posts to share your referral code. You can use blog posts to share your referral code. So I think, okay, let me share let me teach you. I told you about ChatGPT. In my next video, I'm going to share with you how you are going to use ChatGPT. So look at the ChatGPT already. I have it installed already. So let's go. Let's open ChatGPT. It's opening, guys. So I want to show you how you can create prompts, ask ChatGPT. Okay, let's say, okay, let's give ChatGPT prompts. Create a blog post about Clever banking app and the ongoing referral promotion where you earn $5 just by referring a friend. Okay, it's searching. In today's global economy, having seamless access to international banking service is essential, especially for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and businesses operating across borders. Clever, a forward-thinking financial technology company, addresses this need by offering US-based dollar accounts to non-US residents, simplifying the process of receiving and managing USD payments. GetClever.com is their app. What is Clever? Clever is a mobile application that enables users to open a US-based dollar account in their name, even if they reside outside the United States. This service is particularly beneficial for individuals and businesses in Africa who engage in international transactions and requires a reliable platform to receive, hold, and save USD. Key features of the Clever app: use account opening. Users can effortlessly open a USD account without the complexities typically associated with international banking. Virtual USD card. These guys, you can see a lot of blog articles have been generated. So you see, you read it, you copy it, it's very seamless. So this is how you are going to be using ChatGPT on your blog post. So share your referral link, log into your Clever account and navigate to referral tab, copy your unique referral link, share it with friends, family, or on social media platforms. So guys, once you you earn $5 cash bonus for each successful referral. You see, so everything is being included. So you can ask ChatGPT also to give you topic. If you want to anything you feel like asking ChatGPT, just give ChatGPT a prompt, a question, he will answer you. So copy this information just by copy. go and paste it on your blog post. Go and paste it there. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you will be using Quora for your blog post to answer questions there. So feel free, if you copy this thing now, for instance, let me use my WhatsApp. Let me go and paste it on my WhatsApp. Then let me paste it on my WhatsApp. Okay, let me paste it here on my WhatsApp. You see all the information. So you now read. So go and copy your referral. Okay, let's say, let me just use this referral link here now on Fiverr. Let's say I want to add my referral link here. You will now, in that post, you will now write out this using, check for more information, use this link to check it out. So you now paste it. You see, look at my referral. Once I drop, let me just send this. You will see my referral link is now on the post. You can do it on maybe about 3 places on this blog. You can still do it here. Just highlight one word there and paste it. So that is how it is. Then you now copy this as well. You copy it. If it's in your if you're posting it on your Facebook app or whatever, wherever you want to post it, or your Quora or your WhatsApp status, you go and post it there. Anywhere you feel like, or you want to post it on your YouTube posts. So that is how you post it many places. So get plus, get referrals. That is how you will do you use Quora to you use ChatGPT to write prompts, to write articles, to write a blog post for you. So anything you can think of, anything you want to ask ChatGPT will do it for you seamlessly. So this is free version of ChatGPT. It's free. So there is no reason you will not earn. So guys, I'm going to drop the link of GeekPay, Clever on this description. So feel free to go and join the two platforms. Write a blog post using ChatGPT and share your referral link. So it is not hard. So do it, guys, and thank me later. See you on my next video. So I'm going to share how you can make money from AliExpress using Pinterest. So guys, look forward for that video, because it promises to be so wow. So you will thank me after that video. So guys, a lot of opportunities where you make money online. So don't hesitate to jump in. Start immediately. Don't waste time. So thank you for this video. If you are new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe, share so that it will get to thousands of people out there who needs this type of information. So thank you very much, and bye for now. See you on my next video.